Hey everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva, and today we have a hotel room tour. We are at the Dockside Inn Suites, which is part of the Endless Summer Resort at Universal Orlando. So this is a 2-bedroom suite, and here's the door right here. So you have a little picnic table with, looks like seating for 4. A little kitchenette with shelves to put your groceries. Good for families. Bathroom, just the toilet and shower. And it does have a bathtub, so that's good. Here is the vanity with double sinks, so that's nice. Here is the main part of the suite. So 2 queen-size beds, a little bit of storage, not a whole lot, but they do have hooks and things so that you can hang your stuff. You could probably put a piece of luggage up on the shelf if you wanted to. This luggage rack was in the closet in the other room, but I brought it out here. It's a little nightstand and a shelf. And there's lighting. Everything is dock themed. And in this room, we are right outside of the pool. So we have a nice pool view. I don't know if the pool is open because there's absolutely no one out there right now. But there is a little, looks like, oh, those are probably towel things, towel stations. And I think there's a pool bar right there. So let's go into the second bedroom. So this bedroom is quite compact. Turn on the light. Well, there's no overhead light. So it has its own TV, its own hooks. We brought those waters. Those were not provided. I asked for extra pillows, and that's how they brought them, in a bag. A little stool that I guess you could pull in the other room if you needed more seating out there. And the rooms just have, looks like they have USB ports in the little nightstand area, which is quite handy. And I think they had those in the main part. And this room has a very small closet with hanging space. So if you bring hanging clothes, it does have the ironing board, a little shelf, and what I haven't seen yet is a safe. Oh, here it is. It's behind the door. So they do have that. So they have pretty much everything a family could need. And this is a value resort. With the annual pass holder rate, I think it was somewhere around $109 for this is a Sunday night and it's the off season. So pretty good rate. So this is Cajun DIY Diva. Please, please subscribe to the channel and please like this video, and thanks for watching.